Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making a kite. Specifically, this is a Capucheta kite. It's a Brazilian kite, and you should have in your kit some paper, a craft stick, and some ribbon. And then you'll have to provide some tape. I'm using Scotch tape. You could use duct tape or masking tape, whatever you happen to have around your house. So the first thing you're going to do is fold these white sides toward the middle. So meet them up in the middle. You might have to fiddle with it just a little to get right along the right spot. So you're folding them into the middle so it will look like this. All right, and then you're going to fold back about 1/4 of an inch. So just kind of eyeball it a little bit. Fold it back and crease it down. So these have been folded back, and you can see there's little tiny flaps there. And you're going to flip your paper over so the unfolded side is facing you, and you're going to fold it in thirds. So if you look kind of back at the stuff you folded over, you'll see little lines, little dash lines on the colored side. And you're going to fold it into a third, so like this, down and down. And you're going to open it back up with the pretty design facing you. And you're going to attach your string with some tape. So this is where your tape comes in. If you look at your kite, there are dots on the top 2 dashed lines, and that's where you're going to tape your string. So you're going to tape one side down, and then you want it to be about a little over 1 foot long, maybe 16 inches long, and you're going to tape the other side. And you will need some scissors for this part to cut it. So I've got my scissors. I'm going to cut just a little past my tape there. Then, this is what we call the bridle, like a bridle on a horse. You're going to make a loop on it and then do an overhand knot with that loop. So you've got a little circle there, little loop that's tied off, and that is where you'll tie the end of the long string for your kite. So you're going to tie your ribbon onto that loop. Nice and tight. I double knotted it. And you're going to take the other end of your ribbon and tape it to your craft stick. I'm going to put a couple pieces just to hold it in place so we don't lose that string. Our kite doesn't fly away. And then you're just going to loop and wrap the string all the way around your craft stick. A windy spot and let your kite go up in the air.